The Polkadot not hold the line inside this block, so we consolidated here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So around 6 4-hour candles. We try hold the line in this range between like $1.33 and $1.29. Not hold that and crash it down. On some news, looks like positive news. So there may be the war in Iran will finish really soon, but it was just the rumors, not the fact. And we grabbed the liquidity of February 24th, on 26th. This FIB done. We can delete it. This FIB invalidated. This level invalidated. So now we can work only with next zones, guys. 2 levels. What is interested in? First one is here. This one. This is a liquidity pool of beginning of February. Will we drop or not, guys? Nobody knows. We can take an action or skip the trade. For the spot, guys, if you want to, you can accumulate even now with the DCA. Of course, the altcoins now at all-time lows. And of course, it's not a mistake. Accumulate step by step if you not wasted the stable coins before. Because we can't know where exactly the altcoins will stop. So it's for the spot, right? If we talk about a futures trades, guys, this one. This is a potential position. If you would like to open trade now, the stop loss under the last liquidity pool, it's 10% drop. So 20% with the second leverage. And the target is 200 AMA on the daily. It's like 20 against 160. 160 and break of structure, this one. So around 200 against the 20% stop loss. So it's absolutely the same story, like, I don't know, with the 20x leverage 1% down. So you can count the proper money management and the risk management. Of course, now when we invalidated that FIB, yes, it was the rumors, not rumors, it was the fact about the Polkadot ETF and all of this stuff, guys. But it just, once again, it was just a marketing campaign. So it's so sad because this market is just driven by just marketing. When we zoom out and take a look, this chart, crazy chart, it's so sad. Just to be honest, guys, a lot of altcoins, I totally understand, looks absolutely identical. And the sentiment in the market now, total disbelief. I never seen even before, even in COVID dump. COVID dump was so fast, we dump and we shape recover and everything good. Now we got like a worse. We got a Donald Trump who manipulates, total manipulation. I'm not a fan of the word like manipulation all the time. The market dump, and so we got like explanation of that dump. Oh, it's just a manipulation. No, but this time, yes, Donald Trump manipulate the market because we saw the many examples of on the poly market when some wallets placed the bets exactly few hours before some escalation, some airstrike before the Donald Trump just post something. So it's definitely the insider trading. The crypto, of course, reacts more painful than the stocks. I don't know exactly why the big guys decide to just dump the altcoins of this cycle and not reinvest, because the Russell 200 looks good. Root, you can find that ticker and everything looks good. So it's the same like S&P 500. It's like BTC, and the Root, it's like altcoins. But altcoins without new liquidity. That's why, guys, the target's still the same. If you want to skip now the trade, way better the $1.08. So this is potential entry. Can we drop again to 60 cents? Yes, maybe at 60 cents, I will buy the Polkadot again for the spot. Until that time, I'm not touching. It's hard to imagine. So how and based on what we have to drop again 50% from now. So imagine you invest 10K and in a few weeks, maybe we can drop 50% again and you get just like 5K again. It's just mind blowing, guys, but it is what it is. We can work only with that data what we get now on the chart. So you take a risk or not on a spot. For the futures, I'm better wait this low, $1.10. Where to add a stop loss here? I don't know, guys. It's hard to say. let's say 10%. So $1.09, it can be the entry a little bit lower, right? Like $1.05 maybe. The stop loss can be like 10%, so 20 with the second leverage, like 96 cents. Maybe we will see. We'll see. Based on the data now, ADZ direction. This is accumulation. Some news about a Polkadot made it. Come on. When I read something like this one news, I have no idea why they still deliver some useless stuff. If it not help at all the price. So they always run some sessions, some interview. I don't know for what. Why? You just better run some product what people use in real life. So this is going to be much better, right? Even build the new social. I don't know. Over the 40% of altcoins near all-time lows. Over 40%, I guess the 90% of all-time lows. All right, so this is accumulation on a daily. This is accumulation on a weekly. Some signals on direction of accumulation. Some neutral zone on the 12 time frame. That's why I'm scared. So we can form the divergence. So here, so this is gonna be kind of scary, guys. If we're gonna form something like this low and we sweep that low and form that divergence on a 12 time frame, it will be just mind blowing because it's gonna be over than 10% down. Once again. So keep in mind this level like a entry, potential entry. This neutral zone, this is some accumulation based on direction indicator. It's so sad, guys. So sad. I have no words, about this sentiment. Emotionally, it's so hard to keep that stress, with the market. Yes, of course, now a lot of people say, oh, you can open the short position, blah, 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 all this stuff. Yes, we can short in both ways, guys. But what about a spot? What about a spot? Are the people who trust in projects, trust in that startup, trust the devs, but just lose the money on the spot. So daily time frame, yes, it's a good opportunity to buy. Weekly time frame, it's a good opportunity to buy. Monthly, we're in this belief since January 2025 in capitulation even zone. 4 hour time frame, I don't know, is it enough? So we sweep that low or not? So this liquidity pool, just keep in mind. So when we form like this one, this is a zone. Where do we come back and sweep it? Money power, guys. No money inflow. 4 hour time frame, no money inflow. 12 time frame, daily time frame, we lay down at the crazy bottom here. We saw here a money in at $1.27 here at that low. Now we're at $1.22, no money inflow, but we at the craziest bottom ever. A weekly time frame, also we come back to the bottom. So we trade in that bottom since December 2025 here. It's just so weird, guys. So now just wait the entry for the spot so you can accumulate now. Trade on. I showed you in recent videos, guys. So we saw the signal take profit on the weekly, even daily. Here was a signal to buy, test the buy line. If we go and test the buy line again, it's a $1.05. I'm gonna add alert. $1.05. I have no idea we will drop to that zone or not, but this is a way. This is where I will try to open the futures position here. And the stop loss around going to be a 5 or a 10% with second leverage. Trade on, guys, on the daily, no signals to sell. Weekly, we saw signal take profit, the buy, and now we a little bit lower. So if we drop it again low, for me, it's going to be the good entry for the futures. The test of fundamental value, again, it's $2.01. Break of structure, buy line test below $2.70, 50 MA, 100 MA, and the take profit line 535. I truly believe this year, we're going to retest the take profit line and 200 MA. 200 MA, it's dynamic, so just keep in mind, add alert to the take profit line. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Polkadot, how low we will drop in the next few days. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed on this video is right, Mariam. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.